At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an AI business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a general roadmap to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. AI is a broad field. Determine which specific area you want to focus on, such as natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, or predictive analytics. Consider your expertise and market demand when making this decision. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Identify potential clients and their pain points that your AI solutions can address. 3. Develop your product or service. Once you've identified your niche and target market, start developing your AI product or service. This might involve hiring AI experts, data scientists, and software developers, or partnering with them if you don't have the necessary skills in-house. 4. Data collection and pre-processing. Data is the fuel for AI models. Collect relevant data sets and pre-process them to ensure they're clean, labeled, and suitable for training your algorithms. Depending on your niche, you may need to comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. 5. Algorithm development. Build and train your AI algorithms based on the data you've collected. Experiment with different models and techniques to find the most effective solutions for your target problem. 6. Prototype testing. Once you have a working prototype, conduct thorough testing to ensure its functionality, accuracy, and usability. Gather feedback from early adopters and iterate on your product based on their input. 7. Legal and regulatory compliance. Make sure your AI business complies with relevant laws and regulations, especially regarding data privacy, security, and ethical AI practices. Consult legal experts if necessary. 8. Business model and pricing strategy. Decide on your business model, whether it's selling software licenses, offering subscription-based services, or providing custom AI solutions for clients. Develop a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your product or service and is competitive in the market. 9. Go-to-market strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing and sales plan to promote your AI business and attract customers. This might include content marketing, attending industry events, forming partnerships, and leveraging social media and online advertising. 10. Scale your business. As your AI business grows, scale your operations accordingly. Hire more staff, invest in infrastructure and technology, and expand your product offerings or target markets as opportunities arise. 11. Continuous improvement. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay updated on the latest advancements, trends, and best practices. Continuously improve your products and services to stay competitive in the market. Remember that starting an AI business requires perseverance, flexibility, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Surround yourself with a talented team, stay customer-focused, and be adaptable to changes in the market and technology landscape. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.